we are now going to design this section, the rest of the body section. And as you can see, we are just using the same layout from the iPhone 16. We have the iPhone 16 Pro, we have the iPhone 16 and the MacBook Air. So what we basically do is just duplicate this session. That's a good thing of using search, search Elementor, because you can duplicate a section. Then you go to this section that we've duplicated, go to the style and the image, and we upload the iPhone 16 image like that. And then after uploading, we select, and we have the iPhone 16. Just rename that to 16. It's that simple. Just that simple. So we have this, but we have like a small space here. So what we do, we just come to this section and we put a margin on top here. I love using percentages. So we just put a 1% margin there, which is exactly what we have here. And we do the same for the MacBook Air. Very simple. Just duplicate this. Already it is duplicated with the margin that we've put. Change that to MacBook Air. And then go to this section here and click on the media. We upload the MacBook Air media, which is somewhere Hero MacBook Air. There we go. That, then we select, and we have the MacBook Air. Is that the MacBook Air thing? Yes. Is it? Yes. But now the text is in black. So, and there's another small text here. So we go to our text and we just go to our color. We put it as black here, like that. And then there's a or subtext here, which is a lean, mean, M3 machine, which is very simple. You can just duplicate that. And then we say lean, mean, M3 machine, mean, M3 machine, like that. So what we do is that we reduce the size to around weight to around 400 normal, and then we just reduce that size like that. And then we have something that the machine has a full stop. That simple. I bet you didn't know designing website was this simple. Now um, we have these two sections here. So this is what we have. This is what Apple has. So these two sections is very simple. We just come, click our flexbox, and then we select this structure with these two. And we want to put this and the iPad Air. So we will come here, put that section as our image, which is this one, the dark one. And we select that. As I said, we can put position center. We display size as cover. We say no repeat. Okay, so you're wondering why it's boxed and it's not full. So we come here to our container and we change it to full width such that it covers the entire thing. So we come to this section and we actually come now to use this what we call the minimum height. Okay, but let us put the text first and this other image so that we see how everything falls in place. So we have the iPad Air. We'll come here again on our background type. We say select. We upload that file. So our iPad Air is that. That's our background file, and say select and repeat the same thing. We just say no repeat, display cover, position, center. I don't usually do this. If they use the same properties as this is how I do it. I just say delete and then I duplicate this one because I already set this. I love working smart and I teach my students to work smart, not hard. And I just select that image and I say select. So I have these two with the same properties. So what's next is that we have this called MacBook Pro, a work of smart, learn more. Okay. I usually don't reinvent the wheel. I'm having the same text here in white. I just paste it here, paste. Okay. I'm having this as the subtext, which is this work of smart. And I will just paste it here and change the text color to white. Okay. And say a work of smart. I just write a work of smart. Although it's a full stop, it's a bit smaller. So I'll just reduce it up to there. And then I still have my learn more button here and I will paste it there. Okay. So this other side, this is an image and then this and learn more. So what I do, I'll just drag an image here and then just select and upload that iPad Air image, this one that I saw. And then I say select. I love putting my images full, as I said. And then what do we have? Two sizes, faster, cheap, does it all. So I already have this text here. So I just copy like that. Then paste. Okay, it's of this same size. So alternatively, what I do, I just delete this. I copy this, then I paste it here. Then I change the text to black. Very simple. And then I still have my learn more. Then I paste. So the text is already done and my learn more is in black. So I just come and change my button to black. Okay, so I need this text to be at the center. So I'll click this container, the whole container, and align every single thing at the center like that. And I click this other container and align every single thing at the center. Now, these have got a specific size, the four of this. So what do? I just click this whole container. I can go to layout and then I go to minimum height, which is I change it to what we call VH. We'll talk about VH when you go now to fluid design, and I can just do it like that. I can just change everything like that, such that I have something like that. Now you can see we have a space at here, just at the start. I'll try to maybe try change the space between the two and put padding on top here. No, that won't work. So I've removed the padding so that we had like a small space down here. So I'll go to this container, go to advanced, go to my padding, put it in percentages, and just uh, put my text down there. Can put a 2. I come do the same for this padding percentages. I put a space of 2 and I have my spacing well done there. And oh, this is actually ours. We've, we've actually made something very amazing that looks like the same. So this is what the Apple has. This is what we have. So there's also a space at the center here. So how I can do the space, I can click my mother container here and just put a column spacing here. On this column, I use pixels. So I can put a column of 15 or 12 so that it matches with what I have. There's also another space here, which we had done 2 margin. You can do, we had done a margin of 2 in this, of 1 in this other side. So I want to match this space and this space. For some reason, here I use like that. So 1% represents 16 pixels because our base is 16. We'll talk about that when we go to fluid design. And now I have it. So to get this, it's very simple as well. I'll just duplicate this, okay, and put iPad Pro here. I just put my iPad Pro here, unbelievably thin, uh, unbelievably thin. Did have a small, yes, thin, then incredibly powerful, just like that. And here, lovable, drawable, magical. I just put lovable, uh, drawable, magical, drawable, magical. Then I have the photo for my iPad Pro, which I come and I change it here. I just upload it, select from our select panel like that. And then I come to our iPad, which will select the background like that. Just select it like that for my iPad like that. And I select, okay. And I have my text here. I copy this text, put it there, paste. It's written iPad. It's not an image. And I come text, change my text color black and delete this other image. And guys, just like that, we've made the complete Apple website. This is what we have. I don't know, this is our website. This is their website. So next, we are going to create the footer.